Hi, this is Nicole Zaplicki, and we are going to talk about bringing education to life. Google has just the answer for us, and that is Google Cardboard. Google Cardboard is the way that we can bring education to life, and experts are all agreeing that virtual reality is the future. This is a multi-million-dollar market right now with $150 million being invested by the year 2020. And there are huge investments, especially in the area of healthcare and education. VR in the classroom is really something that's exploded over the past 2 years. And it is really a way that we can personalize learning for the students and revolutionize the classroom. Approximately 20% of all teachers have experimented with VR in the classroom. And this is an affordable experience. Google has produced Google Cardboard, and it's very, very cheap. So there is an easy price point for schools to get involved with the VR experience and open this door so students get these experiences. So some basics about Google Cardboard. What you would do to get started is purchase the number of headsets that you desire. So if you're just looking to equip a classroom, you might purchase 20 to 25. If you are doing learning stations, it could be a station, maybe you'll only need 8 at that station. Or if you want everyone in the school to have one, then you would have to budget the amount of money so that each student could have one. Depending on the vendor and the manufacturer, you're looking at $5 to $12.50 per headset. Google did put out the design for Google Cardboard, so other manufacturers are creating Google Cardboard from that design. In fact, some students are creating them on their own with that design. Once you have your Google Cardboard, you will assemble it, and then you will download the VR applications or videos on the smartphone and scan any QR codes to personalize settings, and then you'll place the phone in the cardboard to experience the VR. It's pretty simple. So how does this look? Well, life is an open book, but it is time to turn the next page for our students. So some interesting things that you could do is take your students on a virtual field trip. Maybe you're talking about a setting at Buckingham Palace. You can take them on a tour of Buckingham Palace, and they can see everything that you're talking about and that they're learning about. Another thing that can happen is simulations. With simulations, students will get to experience what it's like to be in certain situations. And here is a virtual reality tour inside the heart. We'll just play a little part of this. And this is from Scientific Animations. Now we don't have our 3D goggles on here or our headset, but so this is going to be a little blurry, but you can see that it takes you through the heart as the blood is traveling through. So you get to experience what it's like to be inside the heart and how the blood flows. Students can also download apps for interactive models such as the muscular system and other body systems. So this would be a great addition to any type of healthcare, anatomy, or health classroom. The biggest question that we get is, what about smartphones? At the middle and high school levels, many students have smartphones, and any smartphone, such as an Android or iPhone with a 3.5 to 6-inch screen, will work. And parents and community members are jumping on this. They are eager to donate used smartphones for this purpose. Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. And so we want to make sure that our students are prepared for the future. Google Cardboard brings lessons to life. It engages students, and they get that VR experience, and technology is only going to increase, and the VR experience is going to be something that they're going to have maybe in their workforce, especially in the world of healthcare. It's at a low cost. There's no maintenance for the schools, nothing for the technology instructors to keep up with. It is more durable than plastic viewers at this price point. Plastic if dropped, will chip and get nipped and crack and break. Cardboard is pretty durable, and there's just a growing library of VR apps and videos for free, and this is just increasing on the daily. Thank you for viewing, and you can use these apps on the side for purchasing, checking out the VR video library, and for my references. Just access it by clicking on, and you can see all of the different options for purchasing. And there's many different apps that you can go on. Again, there's many vendors and many manufacturers that will supply this. In addition, you want to check out the VR video library at YouTube, and this is just a huge amount of videos that you can look through. In fact, right over here is the Buckingham Palace tour that we discussed earlier. And last, here's my reference list. And thanks for viewing. I hope you pick Google Cardboard to help you bring education to life.